right, we're here right at the start at 7 p.m. And right now, look at gold. Just if you guys remember, we were selling at around like 40, 41, and then it did go down to like 30, and now today it went all the way back up to 50. Here's the thing. My personal opinion is that it will go down all the way as a pullback on the daily time frame. Um, that's my train of thought when I was selling yesterday. However, I know I'm not an expert on a longer time frame, so I don't know if in the next day, the next hour, what it's gonna be. I only trade scalping, which is basically in the minute play. Do I know how to play in the longer time frame? Yeah, but in terms of my mindset, in order to hold a position, I'm not entirely confident on that, and that's why I don't practice it enough to know which direction it will go on the longer time frame. And I only have like maybe a key opinion here and there, and I try to have as much like hold as far as possible. However, I don't know the future, and the less I practice on holding it to a longer time frame, it it just doesn't make sense for me to actually hold longer than what I necessarily do, which is basically right after my trading session ends. And that's how I choose to trade. That's my trading lifestyle, and everybody needs to have that happening for your own. You have to really have your own trading style. Now, with that said, trading style has many, many, many style. Like it almost maybe hundreds, possibly a thousand. But here I'm gonna teach you some of the techniques and some of the free tools as well, so you guys can actually have this in case you want to start and you have a low budget. Like, by all means, I want you guys to at least start studying on this. And here's the thing: every every strategy is not gonna have 100% win rate for sure. You only guess. Here's the thing: you only be able to perhaps guess in the direction that it will go. Whether it will go up or down, who knows? Okay? So, let me introduce you some of the indicator that I really like. And you know what? Let's let's back up a bit. Let me introduce you three type of trades that I think every beginner should have in, like, should know which trading style they like. Okay, so the first trading style I'm gonna tell you while we're waiting for the graph to settle right now. I'm just gonna trade after like 7:30 or something. But the first trading style is gonna be when the graph is sideways, and you do know that it's not gonna move up or down too much. So if it's going too much down, it's gonna go up because the price is too cheap. The price will there will be a lot of buying pressure, and it will go up. If the price is too expensive, well, there's gonna be a lot of people who want to sell at a good price, and making the selling pressure coming down, and it will going like this. This is called a sideways trend where people making profits from selling low, selling high, buy low. When the price is too cheap, you buy it high. When the price is too expensive, you sell it low. And this is a very popular. You might have heard SMC. You might have heard a lot of other kind of techniques, but here's one thing that I want to introduce to you to play with. It's a free indicator here. It's called the Volumize Order Block, or just search Order Block. It's from Lux Algo. It's free, this one. And for this one, if the price is sideways, let me see here which one is sideways. I don't have much of a sideways on a 1 minute chart, maybe on a 30-minute chart. But anyway, basically is something like this. When the price are too expensive, the indicator will record the previous price that it has a lot of selling pressure on, and when the price come back to that, it will definitely have more sellers, making it bounce down. The selling pressure is gonna push it downward. Now, does that mean that it will always do that? No. Like in this case, when you sell it here, you expected a profit, but the seller's already gone. The selling pressure's gone. So when the selling pressure gone, can't go up anymore, the buying take over and it become a breakout. So here's one of the indicator that will really help you to have a reversal play when you try to play a sideways trend, which is something similar to this. Oh, what happened? Uh-oh. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened there. Alright, so this is a really good indicator. You can search it, the order block from Lux Algo. Just search the order block from Lux Algo. It will come up, the volumized order block. And this is something that you like to have here. Now, the second one I really like, and this is free by the way, is something that it's very I would say that it is very similar. Is this indicator right here? It's called MACD of V, and you can use the regular MACD, but I like the MACD of V in the sense that, well, when the price is actually too cheap, it will go up, and well, we don't know when the price is gonna be going up and breaking out, and that is gonna happen right here. Let me just zoom it out. When the price is actually in the red candle here, it is on the downtrend. However, when it switch from red to green, this is the point where you might want to take a risk that it will change the pattern to become more expensive. Basically changing the trend to become an uptrend. And if you have that, you can actually buy it here on the change of the candle. With this right here, buying right here, stop loss gonna be right below the low, and you could actually ride this up, because like if it change from a downtrend to an uptrend, this one will tell you like it's gonna keep going up and up and up, and all you have to do is just ride the trend. So you get a nice 1 to 1 RR at least, or 1 to 2, or even longer. Once you actually get like 2 to 1, you can actually put your stop loss right at break even and just keep riding on it. Of course, this is not 100% strategy, but it will give you a guideline on whether it is a downtrend or an uptrend. And when it changes, you might want to look for an opportunity to actually selling. And right now, just like what I'm doing right now, I'm looking for selling here at the change of the candle. If the candle is becoming red, I am looking to sell right here. And now the last one, the last indicator, the last free indicator that I really like is this one. It's very simple. It is stand to the test of time. is called EMA, exponential moving average. EMA is one of the best and one of the oldest, if not the oldest, indicator. EMA is something that is the average of the moving price of the price. So how they come up with this is that for the past, let's say, hundred price, 100 candles close, it will take an average on it, and with the exponential, it will take more weight on the latest candle. So, for example, if I say that I am looking for this right here, the moving average right here, this price, at this point, it would go back to the past 100 candles, and so 100 candle would be just roughly, let's see here, 100 candles. Okay, so that's 200. Let's go here, 100 candles. Right there. So 100 bar is right there. I'm gonna color this. So this is 100 bar right here. Boom, boom. So as you can see, for the past 100 bar, the price has been all the way down, all the way up, and right now it's close to on the uptrend right here. So the price is going to be average, as you can see here, on the past 100 moving price. Now, the price is more weighted towards the end here, and that's why the price is slightly above, but it still is almost middle of it. You see that? So if we take a look on different time zone here, we can see that, let's say for example here, right here, you can see that the price is actually almost right there, almost at the average here. So this is the average of the 100 trades on EMA, and it's very popular. A lot of people talk about it because all traders all over the world using it, and they're using it as a retest play. And this is one of my specialty here, is when the price is retest to this EMA line, well, it's a chance for it to bounce up when the price is actually trending upward, like what it did today. Price came down, using this EMA line as a springboard, bounce up some more, EMA line springboard, bounce up some more. Here, kind of go through EMA a little bit, and I actually thought that we're gonna have a selling position right around here. Then it actually break out above 50, and now it just keep on going. So this is basically it. EMA is basically the confirmation of the trend is your friend, and you should play if the trend is up, and you can see that by seeing the EMA line is actually from lower left to upper right. When the trend is going up like this, it's very obvious that we should play a buy. For the same thing here yesterday, why did I pay a sell? Because the EMA told me so. Look, it's going from upper left to lower right, and that's why I'm playing a sell all the way. I don't usually just go against the trend very much unless it's breaking down really hard, and day like today, I'm actually just looking to buy all the way. Now we did come in a little bit too late, and the price already shifted here, and it already breaking out. So right now we don't have anything to do except for waiting. I see that the price is changed to might be trying to become a downtrend, but as you can see here, will it become a downtrend? I don't think so. So that's why I am only gonna wait for the pullbacks to see if the pullback is going to be red, correct? The red candle bar on the MACD of V, I'm going to see that coming down here when it shifts to green again and it bounces at this EMA line, I will definitely be buying. And that's it. When you have a condition for your strategy, it's just as simple as that. You just have something that kind of coincide together and you just add it all that up and make it a strategy. Now, what you have to do once you have a strategy is go back and back test it to see if it actually works or not. And this is some of my favorite free tools to use when when I'm not using my custom indicator. If you're interested in my custom indicator, uh, and my custom indicator called EF Tunnel, you can contact me. It will be basically using all this but all in one tool. So if you would like to use that, please contact me. The link is down below, or you can actually add me through a line or any kind of handle at BroWinTrader. Okay. All right. So now we are back to winning streak, and I'm gonna use this free indicator for today. not gonna be for the day after, but for today I am gonna use this free indicator just to show you how it works. And right now I'm waiting for this over at the level 47. I see that if it drop, it can drop down to 47 right here. Now let me see on the 5-minute chart right now. Good so far. The price has been going up the whole way today, and I had a feeling that it might even go up to like 60. However, it will definitely have a drop, and we are gonna have a chance to actually buy it up right now. Unless it's actually dropped down really hard. We have a news today at 9 p.m. But I don't think that the news will affect it that much. It's actually PMI for the manufacturing, and I doubt that it is factoring gonna be affecting the price all that much. The one that I am thinking that is gonna, have a lot of effect on price is this Friday. You know what Friday is? It's non-farm payroll. Oof. This is something, and unemployment rate. These two will definitely move the market, and especially when they expect the non-farm payroll change to be only 2K, the numbers gonna be up a lot or down a lot for sure. The numbers never lie. The number is gonna always not be as predicted, and if it go up a lot, the dollar is strong, the price of gold gonna drop hard. But if this number go down below 144, let's say it's 91K, ooh, get ready for the new high for gold. Possibly can even go up to 2700 or even 2720. That is something I like to see. But right now, for now, we are gonna play today. Price right now, and it is breaking out. I don't play breakout. Just so you guys know, I don't play breakout. So I am going to wait for this to happen. I'm gonna wait for the price to drop right here, bounce up, then I'll play. Go. Boom. Yeah, I'll wait for the price to bounce right here, and I will play a buy. Otherwise, let's sit here and wait together. Not gonna do anything. I were to change my mind and not playing a follow buy anymore, it would have to be like this. Down, hard, try to bounce, can't, break down hard, and then being like this. It will have to, and this is already kind of confirming that it wants to, it might have a selling pressure coming in, but if it happened anything like the yellow line here, well, this is gonna go some, it's gonna do something similar to this, and if that is the case, we might be changing our mind and trying to sell. Let's make this blue as well. There we go. Yeah. So it either gonna go to this blue line, or it will fall down to this yellow pathway here, and we are gonna sell. Yellow path we sell, blue path we buy. Let's see what's happened. And my trade is just as simple as this. Like I don't have a lot. And if it doesn't fall into my pattern, I don't play. That's how I be able to make money. That's how I'm gaining the confidence to live and play this winning streak challenge. So if you guys are with me, by all means, waiting together. If you are watching right now, give me a shout out, put anything in the comment, press like for me. I would really appreciate it, so that I know that there are people who are watching me. And not just because of my good looks. Alright. We're waiting for a while here. Because the trade setup right now is still not good enough for me to take either trade. So wait for it. Now that I already introduced the three indicators that I use when if I were to be starting out from zero today and don't want to invest too much, then I would use these three indicators. But if you want to have my custom indicator, EF Terminal, it will be a lot more easier to use, a lot more user friendly, let's say. Right now I'm waiting. Ooh, that dropped. That dropped hard. Alright, let's see here. I'm not gonna sell at 55, that's for sure. But I can see that there's a lot of support here. Not support, a lot of selling pressure. Maybe a supply zone here. Yeah, could possibly be a supply zone right here. Like it might take out that 2660, but from what I seen right here, I'm more inclined to actually take a risk and selling right now. See if this is, yep, right there. That's the supply zone, and the supply zone is about 2657, 2658. Still not up enough yet. we'll wait for 2658. But if it does come down already and it like just came all the way down, well, then we'll play a follow cell. Doesn't matter. We can wait all day for the perfect setup, and once that setup happens, I know that I have a better odds of winning than just going in without a plan. And that's what I mean by trading plan. You need to have a plan so you will have an edge in the market for you to actually make money. And that's all trading is. Trading is about knowing how to take risk where you have an odds with you, not against you. All right, here we go. Play shift. This is cross. Gonna become a downtrend. Just try to see how far of a downtrend this is, because I actually still expect it to reach up to 58 or 59 or even 60 before it come down. But if it's gonna come down again, it will show you the really obvious way to go down. So let's wait for it. So welcome anybody who come in new, and I don't have any order at the moment, but I'm waiting to see the reaction here at around 2652, 2651 right now, because it seems like it will eventually come down. It might not. It might just keep going up and up, and I don't mind. Sooner or later, it will come back down to earth, and when it comes down to earth, then it will decide after whether it wants to go up or not. So let's see. ฮัลโหลพี่ไลฟ์อยู่พี่ไลฟ์อยู่อ่ะโอเคค่ะได้ ฮัลโหลเดี๋ยวกรอกข้อมูลในห้อง KPI หน่อยเนาะเรื่องของส่งให้ส่งให้ all right, looks like it's sideways down, so that's good. Looks like it's gonna be coming down here at around 26.52, being it sideways down, not coming down too hard. So we are going to be buying. We are going to be buying. Let's see. There might be people who are selling at 56 right here, because it does looks good to sell at 56. But I'll wait for it. I'll wait for a play of free test. Now it doesn't look like it is gonna be this yellow line. Yeah, kinda unlikely now that it's gonna be this yellow line, but let's wait for it. Looks like it's gonna be this blue line right now. Look, it's almost the exact almost the exact way I picture it. Oh, look at that. Oh, gotta love that. And this is a skill that I want you guys to have right here, is the skill of be able to see the graph enough that you kind of be able to predict at some level what the next candle will look like. Because our job here is to find an opportunity to gain money, right? And in order to do that, you kind of have some level of predictability. You never can predict 100%, but if you see it enough time, you will start to see the pattern, and this kind of pattern, you will know when the price coming down low enough, then it's your chance to actually buy it up. And that's how I play it. And if let's say I buy it up and it just fall down right away, then you know that's part of the statistic. You can never know when you're gonna win or lose, and you can never know if this trade I enter is gonna make me money or not. But it has a good chance. So if you had a good chance, better than 50%, why not playing it? You just need to play with it with the money that you could lose, and that's all. So let's wait for 52, see the reaction there. But right now looks really good to come down and bounce, and then we're playing a buy here at 26.52. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for my basically my phone to full charge. Here we go. Right here, when it actually fall down to 52, and this price change from red to green, and that's like a pin bar, and it just bounce right here. Oh man, this is gonna be beautiful. That's when we will enter. And if not, well, we'll wait for it. Even with this rock hard music, I'm still getting sleepy. It's been a long day today, trust me. Alright, here we go. Actually, there's one more technique that I like to use, but I am this technique is called a rated move, and it is something that's quite complicated to use. I didn't backtest it enough just because of how complicated it is, so I'm not going to play it, but I can see how this would apply right now. If you guys like how I share my free tools, just press like and comment down below. See if you're using it or not, how you're using it. Just tell us and all our trader friends here your experience. And right now, I'm waiting to see if it will come down enough for me to have a buying opportunity. Because so far, not looking good. To be honest with you, so far it doesn't look good. It's like I might have chance here. Let's go. 54. Let's see it drop more. If it drop hard, we might change direction, but I kind of doubt we are going to change direction today. It could. It definitely could. I mean, it's been going up for the whole day for too long, and it's been sideways up as well. But if we were to play, a short sell, we're not gonna play it here. We will wait for the break, and the break need not be only this 54 here, but a break of 52 going to 50. That's a lot of support right now. And unless it can break him all easily, I sincerely doubt that it's gonna go down right now. Oh man, but I am really sleepy for some reason. I think I don't have enough food to eat this afternoon. Gonna have to go grab something after this. Ah. That should be good. Let's wait for the drop at 53. Here we are. it is pretty much a decision time right now. So taking either or would be basically gambling. So if you want to really making profit, you need to learn how to wait for the market to actually choose this direction where the price will go. And right now, we just gonna be chilling. We just gonna be relaxing right now. When it's just slowly grinding up like this, it's just one of those days where um, I don't see an opportunity to play at all. So this is one of those days where we could be sitting here for the next couple of hours without any war room and it just be grinding it up all the way. I could play a buy, but I would have to wait for another half hour or an hour before the trade to finish, and during that time, and things would happen. I want to see a lot more volume that move, sometimes move like 200, 300 in um, either both directions, then I will know when the people are panicking or not. But right now, there's very little water. There's almost nothing for me to work with right now. I mean, if it break down here at 53, it will still have this 52 level that it needs to go past 2. So if you want to play a cell, I suggest that you hold your horses sitting in sitting on your hand and just enjoying the ride. Because right now, I don't think sellers there are going to like this very much. Not yet anyway. Not celebrating yet anyway. Mm. I am very sleepy. This speed line. Let's see if we can go through that. 54. If we can go through 54, well, it's gonna break out and it's gonna go up to all the way to like 60. If it can. If it can. Not too sure if it can though. Let's see, clean breakout. The clean breakout would be above 55. Right here. Clean break above 55. Let's go, come on. Yeah, cannot break 55. Possibly wait for an 8 p.m. Oh, but if it does, interesting. If the candle leaving this bottom topping tail like this, look, if it does this, I am more inclined to actually sell right now. wait 9 more minutes to see what the reaction is, and well, I'm gonna wait for it. Nothing has been jumping out obvious to me yet, but I am more biased towards selling right now. Gonna rest a bit, rest my head a bit. Ah, stop, 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 stop. Oh, I slept. I just passed out back there. Wow, that's a huge strong move down. Let's see. Let's see if we can go past 63 right here. Oof, what's happening? I am pretty much passing out. Alright, let's get one order in today. I'm biased towards selling right now. I'm not gonna play it during the news, so I have to play it before the news. We wait for it to go back up to like 2650. I mean 2655. It will. Eventually, I think it will go up because it's 5 more minutes to change the candle. Sorry, my head just go blank and I just like I just slept. Oh my god, I think I need rest. Let's go, give me something. Anything, just give me something. I'm really interested in selling right here. Like, I'm interested in selling right here. Just because um, It's instinct based. It's not logic based. This one. So I am not playing off instinct. I'm playing off logic. Wake me up when the graph actually move. It's just not moving at all right now. I want to see the breakdown. All right, here we go. Here's the bounce at 52. Looks good so far. The thing to make sure that it's not breaking down. If there's like at least 2 to 3 candles that is bounced from here or starting from here, then we will buy. Oh, whoa, it broke. It broke down hard right here at 50. Well, if it broke down like this, it's gonna be this yellow path right here. So the bounce might not happen now because it broke down a little too strong here. Whoa. Okay, the moment it's breaking 50, I think we're gonna see a breakout play right now. And it's right at 8 p.m. as well, where if we go back and took a look at the daily time frame, if we take a look at the daily time frame, ooh, 1, 2 today. I think they're gonna be might be a doji, but even a doji would leave at least like 41 points, so about 1,000 point of target. Now, what happened in the hourly shot? Hourly shot just finished this hour with a long topping tail here, where it is look at the supply side cell where it's drop this drop. So right here at 50, very likely that we're gonna see a downtrend. So we are looking to sell at breakout of 50. Bounce up to 52 and cannot go past it, then we'll be um, selling it down. Let's go. is the one. I don't know if this is gonna pass or not. Right here. Cannot pass twice. Especially with the topping tail as well, I think. Here we go. I'm selling on breakout on this one. My stop loss is gonna be 200 points. I already sold my position. Right here. My target, 300 points. Actually, I am gonna have my 400 points here because it looks really good. I am selling it already. I'm waiting for it to come down, and I am selling it right here. 200 point stop loss up to right here, 25.72. Yeah, I have it at 775. 200 point stop loss. Actually, yep. And I want at least 400 points of target. So let's see. Oh man, I keep forgetting to pay the record of it. Here we are. Sell at here at the break of 50, just right before the break. Because I already see the momentum, it come down at the 51 right here, so I'm selling at 50.75. And let's see it come down right now. Stop loss 52.73. And let's see if I gonna make money on this one. Today is day number 16, and let's see if I gonna make some moolah. Alright, for those of you guys who actually are sleeping right now, I am entering the position already, and see if it can break 50. If it can break 50, that would be great because it's gonna drop really hard. I had been waiting for this moment for the past the whole day basically. I'm still looking to sell, and right now that it kind of been sideways up, I am looking to sell right now. Right here. Let me just maybe a copy of this. Copy. Paste. Where's the paste? Here we go. Alright. Selling at 50.75. Here we go. Alright. Came down now. This is gonna make my third day in a row of hitting my target if this came down like the way I planned. And I'm just waiting for the break of 50 right here. Let's wait for the break of 50. Oh, it did not break. Alright, it just punched at 50 and kind of go up right now. Let's see if it can break down here. If it can break down, I might even move my target. Oh. Let's see. I would even move my target to even lower if it does come down really strongly. But right now, I'm just hoping that it is coming down. If it does come down, breaking below 50, it's gonna break down really hard, and in which case I gotta hit my target really fast here. I am aiming for my first target at 46.7, which means it's about 400 points. And let's see the drop right now. Let's see if the drop will happen right here. Because at the start of the 8 p.m. candle, it came down really hard, showing signal that there's a lot of selling pressure. And right now, just need to see if it can break down below 50, and it did break. Now let's just see if it could clean break right here, and it drops. Now it is dropping now. Dropping now. Let's see if it can go down all the way. Oh, it did drop, but did go it cannot have a clean break and did not stay below 50. Let's see if this candle will be able to move it below 49. If it can just stay below 50, the next candle will definitely go below 49 and we have a high chance of hitting my target. But right now, it is at 50. Nothing to see here yet. It's still deciding. Looks like it's gonna be a pullback. Or not, or not. Breaking 50 again. Try to stay. Can it go below 50? Nope, it cannot. It cannot go below 50. Right now it's staying above 50 right here. This could be a reversal going up here because the green candle start to have that buying pressure. Now the only hope is to stay below 50. If it cannot stay below 50, it definitely is going to go up. And we are going to be losing money on it. And it break 50 again. Again. So now let's see what it's going to do. Let's see. Because it is breaking below 50 the second time. And this time strong. Candle down. Breaking 50 hard right now. And 49 doesn't seem to be the support that it can hold. Let's see if it can hold. Nope, it cannot hold. 49 cannot hold now. Now down to 48. Gonna stay below 49 right now. It's about to stay below 49. It's about to. It's about to stay below 49. That would make it a clean break. And let's take a look at the next candle. Next candle still struggling above that 49, but breaking eventually, and now breaking below 49 now. The next level will be 48, and it's gonna be another 200 more to go before we hitting our target. And let's see, breaking now. I am gonna move my target down to 45.73 right there, because it seems like I can even go even below that. Start to break now, breaking down hard. I am 200 points in profit. Let's see it break 47. Breaking 48. 48 starting to have some support, but not enough. I see that there's momentum in this 49 drop right here. So the next candle, unless that's a huge green candle coming up right now. Let's wait. Oh, it's only went down 200 points and then it went all the way up. Could be a retest here at 50. Now it retests back at 50. If it did go above 50, then we are going to be losing money because it just slightly dropped below 50 and then have this huge bull candle that kind of engulfed all the hard work the bear has been putting through. So right now, this tunnel line, this EMA line need to hold in order for us to make money. And let's go. We are selling on breakouts, and now it seems like we are at a position where we are selling on retest. Now that it is breaking, it is a retest sell, and right here, if you haven't get in this order, you could get in right now because it is coming down now. The 50 gonna be breaking through on the downside. If it can break 50 on the downside, it will confirm the potential downward here, and it will go down to 47 at least, and that's our target here, 47. Let's go. Here we are at 50. Not breaking yet. I'm aiming for that 50 break right here. $50 is still holding. 50 is still holding. That's bad for the seller side. That's bad for the seller side right now. Let me just check a little bit here. Yeah, even if I get at 300, I'm still not it's still not hitting my target yet. So I will wait for the breakout to happen. Right now we are waiting for the drop right here at 50. We're waiting for the drop right here to happen at 50. Need to break and stay below 50. Right here is starting to make a decision whether you want to go up or not. Coming down to test at 50 now. Will it break? Will it break? Will it break? Yep, it broke. It broke now. It broke, but still struggling. It's still not a clean break. It did broke and then just jump up right away. So it's not a clean break. Might have a potential bounce up here if it's not a clean break. So we have to wait and see what will happen in this candle. If this candle closes below 50, we have a high chance that it will break down and go all the way to our previous price at 48. So let's go. All right, here we are. Break now. Break again. Looks like it's gonna be a clean break. If it's a clean break, that's the potential that it will come down below 49, below 48, and we're gonna hit our target at 47. Let's go. That's a huge move. That's a huge selling pressure right now. Unless this next couple candles here become a green candle that's staying above 51, I don't think that the bull are having any luck here. I think the bull has been exhausting after it has been pushing the whole day. And today and right now, it seems like the bears are coming in. There's going to be a huge swing in about 16 minutes because the US market, the New York session, going to open for all the US players to come in. And right now, looks like the US are coming in now, giving it enough juice so that it chooses the direction. And so far, I think we are gonna see. We are going to see the drop that happens soon. So 3, 2, 1. Let's see the drop. Nope, not yet. It cannot go above 50 right here. It did go above 50 right now. Ooh, denied. Nope, it is not breaking 50. So that's bounce right here that kind of said, oh, I don't have enough sellers to actually push it down below 50. So we'll wait to see if there will be a seller that will push it down below 50, and if it can push down below 49.5, that would be great because that's gonna have a huge volume to push down even further down to 48 again. So let's see. Right now kind of struggling at 50 level. Don't know if it wants to go up or down. We just have to wait candle by candle. Right now it's almost a 50-50 chance it will go up or down, but if it go up, there's a lot of resistance here. One is the EMA line, and 2 is the actually that's only one. Only one. One is the EMA line right now. So we wait to see the drop at 50 right now. So we're waiting to see the drop at 50 right now. If it does go up and break above 51 and 52, I will hit my stop loss and we'll be done for the day. Because I want to close it actually before the news. I don't want to leave it at the news at 9 p.m. because I know that's going to be a huge swing. and I think there's going to be a price prediction way before that, and that's why I am selling right now. Okay, we're waiting right now. We're pretty much in limbo right now, not not going up or down, just kind of waiting for something, waiting for the another players to show that they have either buyer pressure or selling pressure to get a good price. This is what I see that it is happening right now. So unless it's actually breaking below 50, don't count. Uh, don't think it's gonna be more than 50-50 chance right now. So this is gonna go up. This is gonna go down. It's 50-50 right here. But if it go down from this 51, breaking down below 50, a really high potential and a really high chance that we are going to see a drop down to 45, and it definitely will hit our target. So here we go. Basically retesting the EMA, and I want to see the drop here below 50. If it cannot, nope, it cannot. It cannot drop. Now it breaks, starting to break EMA line. If it breaks and stay above 52, it definitely gonna be a clean break of EMA line, and that's when I will decide to hit my stop loss, close this trade, and wait for another opportunity because it's not coming down yet. Now we're just gonna wait to see if it's gonna come down or not. It's still struggling. It's still not breaking the EMA line. So let's see. Here we are. We'll break. Stuckling. Yep, it broke. It broke up to the upside now. It's gonna hit my stop loss, I think. Oh, almost did hit my stop loss, and I am gonna close this out. Or not. Two right here. I'll wait for the close of this candle. Can it close below? Because right now it's just leaving me this topping tail right here. If it does close below 52 and come down to break below 50.7, like 51 again, that tells me that this is leaving the top for the 8 p.m. shot, and it will break down hard. I will confirm that once it actually broken 50. Once it's breaking 50, then I will confirm that it will break down hard. Back there, I almost hit my stop loss, but I didn't close it. I'm just waiting to see what happened in this candle. If it's leaving this topping tail and break down below 51, going down below 50, breaking down two candles here really hard, then we have a high potential that it's gonna hit our targets. Now the targets I am aiming for, first target would be around 50, 47.75, basically around 48. It almost hit my target there and just going all the way back up, but I think that right here will be a potential to reversal down. So let's wait for it. Here we are, the reversal down. Need to break 51 to stay down below the EMA line. Need to break down below 51. If it cannot, it's not gonna have that potential to breaking down all the way down. Need to break down below 51 pretty soon. Should not take more than 2 to 3 minutes here. If it takes more than 2 to 3 minutes, you will most likely get hit by a stop loss because now it's building potential to actually jump up even more. Alright, it cannot. So this is the new candle. Let's see if it gonna go up or down. If it's gonna go up, it is going up. It is going up, so it is likely that we're gonna hit our stop loss right now. It is likely that we're gonna hit our stop loss. If it hits, it hits. And I will wait for another opportunity to sell right here. Here we are at 52. Cannot make a good clean break at 52 right here. But if it breaks 52 really good, like right now, okay, it closed above 52 now. And it seems like it's pretty much gonna stay above 52. So I think that we are gonna be losing money on this trade. Just hit our stop loss and 3, 2, 1. Looks like we're gonna hit it pretty soon. Almost. Gonna hit our stop loss. Almost. 10 more pips, 10 more points. And we're gonna hit our stop loss. 10 more points and we're gonna hit our stop loss. Just going above this high and we're gonna be done for the trade. Meaning that the buyers are winning because it did stay above. Yep, hit my stop loss. Done for the trade. I'm not gonna try to persuade you that it will eventually come down. I need for it to have a strong downward move breaking below 50 again for it to actually convince me that it wants to stay down. And right now, so close to hit our targets, and then it just, it just go all the way up hitting my stop loss. That's fine. But that's fine. Part of the game. The game is that you never try to win 100% of the time. You just try best you can to having a nice strategy that will give you a good risk reward. And whatever the outcome may be, that's the outcome that you have to accept. Alright guys. Let's wait for it. Maybe we'll have another selling potential here. Maybe. It has to break 50, 51 and 50 though before I enter another sell. Enter another selling position. Kinda doubt it. I kinda doubt it that we're gonna have that. Surprising, it's not breaking 50. Maybe it's waiting for the news. In about 4 minutes, it's gonna hit 8:30, and I'm still waiting to sell. Just don't see a potential to sell right now. Like I actually thought that it looks really good. Like it looks like it's gonna come down to this orange line right now, and then it just did that. So it didn't go as I predict on the blue line, didn't go as I predict on the orange line, and I don't see now that it go up to 53. I don't see much potential now to actually sell. So I have to accept the losses. Today I lose about 31.68, and you know what? That's part of the game. It has a really nice potential downward here. Things looks really good, and it might later today coming all the way down. But on the time that I play today, I already hit my stop loss. Things are not going as potentially as I planned. I kind of have high hope when it came down here to 51, but it did stay above 50 for too long, giving me the impression that the Bulls are winning still, and the Bulls are not letting up. So I am going to close today's session for today. Let's wait for a couple more minutes to see if it will reversal at this speed line here, but I'm not gonna play a sell right away. I'm gonna wait for same thing, wait for the breakdown and coming down here. Okay. Oh. ฮัลโหลค่ะน้องมิ้นเรียนอะไรเอ่ยอ่าน่าจะน่าน่าจะเสร็จแล้วนะลองเข้าไปดูก็ได้ครับอ่าแต่เดี๋ยวพี่ไลฟ์อยู่เนาะพี่ไลฟ์อยู่ Yeah, see, a lot of people will say like, "Oh, hey, that's that popping tail," and well, when it's coming down there, they sell at 53. Well, you're gonna get stop loss right here at 54, or if you want to have like stop loss at 56, I don't know. Like you have to kind of play it on your own, but right now I don't see a potential to sell anymore. So if you are looking to sell again, I suggest that you wait for a really nice topping tail on the either a 1 hour shot or something before you start to sell again. Maybe a couple candle of red candles before you sell again. But right now, right now, as of this moment, I am done for today. Can't predict anything now that it went up way above 50 after it did break, almost hitting my target. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be seeing you guys later. Ooh, that's a breakdown. Yeah, a lot of people will be like, hey, it's breakdown now. That might be it. Well, it could be it for a few times now. So good luck to you guys. I am actually done with this trade. And even if it break down here, look, 54 down to 50 is like 400 points. I am not going to play it. So to sum it up, today I play according to my plan, where it broke down, hitting a retest, having a potential to be for it to be downward play, and that's why I'm holding it. But if it did staying above 50 for a long time and going back up above, I hit my stop loss at 200 points. Now that it's going up all the way, I don't see potential to come down. I was aiming for a sell and it did not happen. So I am going to finish the day today with a minus of $32. Alright guys, have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Have a profitable day.